Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install TLG mud flaps on this beautiful G42 2 Series BMW. And these are the mud flaps in question. This is what comes in the kit. This is the back with 2 replacement screws, and this is the front with 2 rivets and a screw. We're gonna start with the front, and we need access to these 2 bottom rivets. We don't touch the third one, just these 2 bottom ones. To do so, we have to turn the wheels. And these are the new style rivets BMW recently came up with. We used to be able to simply punch them. Now we have to drill them out, but it's super simple using a tiny drill bit. And remember, just the bottom ones, you do not touch the top one. Once you drill them out, pry them slightly with your finger, like this, and then you can either use a flathead screwdriver to pop them out, or you can use one of these rivet removers. Then we take the mud flap, we start with the rivets, simply push it in place, and then use something hard to push the pin in. If it doesn't go in, you can use a hammer, but in this case, using the back of a screwdriver works well. And last, take this tiny screw and drive it into the wheel liner. It might provide some resistance, but don't worry, it will go in and you're done. And now in the back, the easiest way to do it is to remove the wheel, but in our case, we're gonna do something slightly different because the idea is to remove these 2 OEM 8mm bolts. In my case, I have this angle tool, which you should absolutely get. I'm going to link it below, which makes these jobs a lot easier. And now take the mud flap and the 2 screws and put everything together, starting with the bottom. You can start it by hand. And then the top, tighten everything, but not too much. So this is what I was talking about not tightening it too much. You want to tighten it so it flexes nicely with the contour of the rear bumper. And we're done. We flipped the car to give it better lighting, but check this out. From far away, you cannot even tell that the mud flaps are there. This is what they look like from this angle, and as you can see, because of the fact that they don't stick out too much, you don't notice them, but they will still protect you from getting sandblasted on this side. The problem with this generation cars is this beautiful side skirt gets really destroyed by road debris getting kicked out from the front tires. In this case, this is going to catch all the debris and it's going to deflect it, or most of it. It's going to deflect it sideways, especially protecting this beautiful wide body that's in the back, and as I mentioned, the side skirt. And the same thing in the back is going to protect that beautiful OEM diffuser, or if you have an aftermarket diffuser, it's going to protect it as well. And seriously, from this angle, you cannot even tell that they're there. So that's it. I'm going to link everything down in the description for you if you're interested in getting yourself a set. We're also going to do a video with this car, although if you watch it later down the road, we probably already made a video, so you can see it right above. If it's not up there yet, that means we haven't made it yet. But thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.